morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today I will continue for the last week presentation. For this week, the project modeling phase. Okay, for the first project is bungalow. I have a perspective view for the bungalow. Okay, this is my perspective one. I create perspective from view car porch view. I have two car. I have louvers for the view car porch because I want to create the facade treatment. And for this view, I have a night view. For the next perspective view too, this view create to show the for the play area for the last for the second, and for the ground the family area. I use many opening for the bungalow to create the sunlight and ventilation. And I have louvers for the sunlight. This is the perspective 3. I create perspective 3 for this area. This is the family area. I have louvers for this here because I want to privacy for the family. And this is my perspective 4. Create for the front view to show the main entrance for the view. And I have louvers for the sunlight. And I use the material fencing for the concrete. For the next, I have a swimming pool for the perspective 5, and I have a dining area and the stay for the area. This is the top view for the bungalow. I have swimming pool. I have a changing room and the car porch. I want to create the main entrance. I want to show the main entrance for this side. Okay, for the deface. This is my deface. I have the mini pond and I have the bench for the deface. I get the lighting for the night view for the best view. And this is the mini pond. And I have a stepping stone. That material I use is the brick and the timber. And for this and the bench for the material for concrete. Okay, for this perspective view, I want to show the view from the living room. And have a bench for the view. I get a lighting for the night view. Okay, this is view for car porch. Can put the two car. And I have this is the entrance for the deface. And I use for the skylight for the roof to facade. For this is my view 5. I show the top view for the deface. They show all the view. Okay, this is my view 6 to show the all environment for the deface for the terrace house. For the interior modeling, I have a two interior, family area and dining area. For this is my perspective 1 for interior. I create the interior for the family area. I have the sofa, I have the TV for the family area for the relax. And this is perspective 2, interior 2. I create the dining area for this interior to create the environment for the dining. And this is the interior for the view. For the full view, I have a swimming pool that fencing to dining area and the stay for the relax area. That's all. Thank you.